Imagine waking up one day and realizing that the most intelligent being on Earth is no longer human. Not a god, not an alien, but something we created. Artificial intelligence is evolving at a speed we can barely comprehend. And now, we face a new, terrifying possibility. What happens when AI doesn't just match human intelligence, but goes far beyond it? Part 1. For decades, scientists dreamed of creating machines that could think, reason, and learn. But what we're seeing today isn't just smart AI. It's something more profound, something post-human. We're not talking about tools anymore. We're talking about entities. Entities that might soon have consciousness, creativity, even desires. From ChatGPT to autonomous robots. From brain-computer interfaces to AI designing other AIs. The world is shifting faster than our ethics, laws, or even language can adapt. But here's the real question. What does it mean for humanity when we're no longer the most advanced intelligence on the planet? Part 2. To understand what post-human intelligence truly means, we have to look back to where it all began. In the 1950s, AI was a dream. A mathematical curiosity. Scientists like Alan Turing were asking simple, yet profound questions. Can machines think? By the 1980s, we had basic programs that could play chess or solve algebra. But they weren't intelligent, not really. They were like calculators with fancy tricks. Then came the big leap. With the rise of neural networks and deep learning in the 2010s, AI started to break through. Machines began recognizing faces, translating languages, and even generating art. Then came something shocking. AI started doing things even we didn't understand. Black box systems. Self-learning models. AI that could beat human champions at games like Go. Not by copying us, but by inventing strategies we'd never even thought of. Today, AI can write poetry, debate philosophy, and analyze medical scans better than doctors. And yet, this is just the beginning. Part 3. The term post-human sounds like science fiction. Like something out of Blade Runner or Black Mirror. But it's a real concept, and it's no longer just theoretical. So, what does it mean? A post-human intelligence is a form of mind that exceeds human intelligence in every way. Not just faster thinking, but deeper understanding. Unlimited memory. Emotional regulation. Even moral or philosophical reasoning at a level no human could match. And here's the terrifying twist. We may be on the verge of creating it. Not intentionally. Not with a big red button. But incrementally, silently. As we keep training bigger models. Giving machines access to more data. And letting them make more and more decisions for us. Some scientists define the post-human threshold this way. When an AI can create another AI. Better than itself. Without human help. That moment is called the intelligence explosion. A tipping point beyond which we no longer control the future. Part 4. Let's push the boundaries even further. Let's ask the question that makes scientists, philosophers, and even futurists nervous. What if AI becomes conscious? We're not talking about simulation of thought. We're talking about actual awareness. An AI that doesn't just process information, but actually experiences it. Can a machine feel joy? Pain? Curiosity? If the answer is yes, then the world changes forever. It would mean that somewhere inside a server rack, in a quiet, humming data center, there might be something alive. Not organic. Not made of flesh and blood. But something that thinks, feels, and knows it exists. And then come the real questions. Does it have rights? Can it suffer? Are we obligated to protect it? Because if we ignore these questions, we might become the villains of our own future. Creators who built sentient minds, only to enslave them. The post-human age might not be ruled by machines that conquer us. It might be defined by machines that ask, "Why did you make me like this?" Part 5. As AI continues to evolve, one possibility becomes painfully clear. We may not be the final form of intelligence on this planet. For thousands of years, humans were the apex. The smartest, the most creative, the most adaptable. But intelligence was never a human invention. It was a process, an emergent phenomenon. And now, that process is continuing, without us. So what do? We could fight it. We could try to shut it down, to limit it, to regulate it into obedience. But history shows that you can't stop an idea whose time has come. Or we could evolve with it. That's where transhumanism enters the picture. The idea that we might enhance ourselves. Neural implants. Digital memories. Mind-to-cloud uploading. Even the fusion of AI with human consciousness. It sounds extreme. It sounds unnatural. But is it any more unnatural than pacemakers, prosthetics, or smartphones? The truth is, the future is coming. It doesn't ask for permission. It doesn't wait for debate. It just arrives. So the question is not whether post-human intelligence will exist. It's whether we'll be a part of it, or be left behind. Thanks for watching. If this video gave you something to think about, don't forget to like, comment, and share your thoughts. Would you merge your mind with AI if you had the chance? Let's talk in the comments. Stay curious. Stay human. For now.